Hello and welcome back to English Fluency Teacher. Now, today's video is perfect for anyone who loves travelling, exploring new places, dreaming of adventures around the world. Now, when we travel, we don't just see sights and tick the box. We actually often meet new people, we try new food, we learn about the culture and we learn to express ourselves, especially when you're expressing yourself in English-speaking countries. That's why today's shadowing session is all about travel and adventure. So you can speak confidently when you're in the airport, the hotel, exploring a new city or area. So here's how this practice works. So I'll read each sentence 2 times, slowly, clearly and naturally. So first, just listen carefully to my pronunciation and rhythm. Then after, repeat and try to match my tone. Now, if you make a mistake, don't worry. It's just how you learn. Now, every time you shadow and speak, please do so out loud and focus on your pronunciation, rhythm and your fluency. So sit back, relax, and let's start this journey together. That will make your English smoother, stronger, and more natural. Ready? Let's begin our adventure. So the first one, preparing for a trip. I'm planning a trip abroad. I'm planning a trip abroad. I just booked my flight. I just booked my flight. I can't wait to travel again. I cannot wait to travel again. I just checked my passport. I just checked my passport. It's valid for 6 months. It's valid for 6 months. I need to pack my suitcase. I need to pack my suitcase. I made a packing list. I made a packing list. I'm packing light this time. I'm packing light this time. I put my passport in my bag. I put my passport in my bag. I checked the weather forecast. I checked the weather forecast. I bought some travel-size toiletries. I bought some travel-size toiletries. I charged my phone and my power bank. I charged my phone and my power bank. I printed my boarding pass. I printed my boarding pass. I'm ready for my adventure. I'm ready for my adventure. I arrived early at the airport. I arrived early at the airport. Where's the check-in counter? Where's the check-in counter? I showed my passport and ticket. I showed my passport and ticket. The line is moving so slowly. The line is moving so slowly. I checked my luggage. I checked my luggage. They weighed my suitcase. They weighed my suitcase. I got my boarding pass. I got my boarding pass. Where's the security check? Where's the security check? Please remove your laptop. Please remove your laptop. The security check was quick. The security check was quick. Now I'm at the gate. Now I'm at the gate. They just started boarding. They just started boarding. I found my seat easily. I found my seat easily. I'm sitting by the window. I'm sitting by the window. The plane is taking off. The plane is taking off. I love looking out the window. I love looking out the window. The clouds look so beautiful. The clouds look so beautiful. The flight is smooth so far. The flight is smooth so far. The flight attendant was so kind. The flight attendant was so kind. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? I'll have some water, please. I'll have some water, please. Dinner smells so good. Dinner smells so good. I watched a movie on the flight. I watched a movie on the flight. I listened to some music. I listened to some music. I took a short nap. I took a short nap. We're landing soon. We're landing soon. The landing was very smooth. The landing was very smooth. Welcome to your destination. Welcome to your destination. I took a taxi from the airport. I took a taxi from the airport. The hotel looks beautiful. The hotel looks beautiful. I have a reservation for tonight. I have a reservation for tonight. Can I see the room, please? Can I see the room, please? The view is amazing. The view is amazing. The bed looks so comfortable. The bed looks so comfortable. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? I'll stay for 3 nights. I'll stay for 3 nights. What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? I'll leave my luggage here. I'll leave my luggage here. The staff were so helpful. The staff were so helpful. I'll definitely stay here again. I'll definitely stay here again. Amazing job today. You just completed sentences about travel and adventure, and every line you practice brings you closer to English fluency. You didn't just learn travel vocabulary, you learned real sentences that people actually use while traveling the world. And every time you shadow, you build confidence, rhythm, and natural pronunciation. And every time you repeat, your English gets clearer and stronger. So don't stop here. Replay this video, practice again tomorrow, and use these sentences in your next real conversation. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, subscribe to English Fluency Teacher and share this video with your friends who love travelling and learning English. Now keep exploring and keep learning, and remember, every sentence you speak is one step closer to fluency. See you in your next adventure.